Hey everybody! I thought I would do a quick video showing you how to set up a nail bar event for someone else on Facebook. One of the first things is when you go to set up a nail bar event, the only way that I have found that you can create an event and add a co-host is to do it from your home Facebook page. I tried to create an event under my Color Street page, and it didn't allow me to add a co-host even when I tried to edit it. So if somebody else knows a better idea for how to do it, please let me know. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our home page. That's our personal home page on Facebook. Okay, so here I'm on my home page. I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side. I do have a tab here that says events, but if you look right underneath it, you'll see it says create. And then you have create an ad, create a page, create a group, and create an event. So we're going to create a new event. And you can upload a picture from the graphics webpage or Facebook page. That's what I would recommend that you do. Go to the graphics page and then make sure that you click on or search under banner. Because a lot of times within these private events, see how it says private up here, it won't take the picture size that you choose from like Pinterest or Google or something. So you just want to make sure that you have actual Facebook banner that will work here. But you can upload whatever banner you want. And then for your event name, I always put the name of the person. So I'll put like Lisa's Nail Bar. For your location, you're going to put Facebook online. And then you're just going to click outside of the box. See how it gives you all these like automatic search things? You don't need any of those. So you're going to put in your beginning date and time. And then I always like to put an end time too. So like if I would start mine today, I would probably end it, I don't know, I guess in about a week. Excuse me, I'm sleepy tonight. And then make sure you change, your times to whatever you want them to be. And then in your description, you're just going to say, welcome to whoever it is, Lisa's Nail Bar. Color Street is an easy to apply 100% nail polish strip. Then you can say it dries easily, on and on and on. You're just going to tell all about Color Street, and then at the end, you just say something like, we're so happy you're here. If at any time you have any questions, please let us know. Okay, so you have your full description in here. And then I always put that guests can invite friends, because usually the hostess wants her friends to ask friends who ask more friends so that she gets more product sold. And then I also like to show the guest list too, because I like to be able to see exactly who we've invited and who's there. All right, so then you would just click create private event. And I'm not going to do that since I already have an event created. But after you click create private event, then what you're going to do is you're going to come back over and you're going to click in your events. And you're going to see the event that you created. So I created Erin's Nail Bar earlier today because it's going to start today. So I'm going to click on it. Here you can see I found a Color Street banner that fits in that event space. Okay. I have my dates here. I have all of my times. I have that it's going to be online. Here's my description. Okay. And then what you want to do, you have to make the hostess a co-host. So in order to do that, you need to click edit. And then you're going to scroll down. And then in this co-host box, you're going to type the person's name. So here's Erin. I'm going to click on her. It's now added her as a co-host. So it's going to send her an invite and let her know that she's a co-host. So then I'm going to click save. Okay, and then one of the other things I do too, now the nail bar is already created, so like it's all there. All you have to do is just start adding pictures and posts. So one of the other things that I like to do is I do like to send So I'm in private, Facebook Messenger. I do like to send whoever the host is this graphic right here that says, check your events, you're invited to my Color Street Nail Bar, so that your hostess can post that on their personal page so that people know, oh, Erin sent me an invite for something. Okay, so that's how you create a nail bar on Facebook for somebody else. One of the very first things that I like to post is a picture here all about what Color Street is. So I do a really good description box or graphic. And then the next thing that I post is who wants a sample. So that's a great way to get your nail bar started. If you are still unsure how to do that and somebody is wanting to do a nail bar, please let me know, Marco Polo me, and I will send you some information back. All right, thanks.